Have you ever wondered how to invest money for a long time in the stock market? Felt puzzled by the labyrinth of financial jargon and complex strategies? Well, there's a simple and effective method that can help you navigate this maze. It's called Systematic Investment Plan, or SIP for short. Imagine SIP as a disciplined friend who helps you save and invest consistently. It works on a simple principle: regular investments over a long period. Rather than trying to time the market, SIP enables you to invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, be it weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Now you might be asking, why SIP? Well, SIP comes with two major advantages: rupee cost averaging and the power of compounding. Rupee cost averaging is a strategic approach that protects you from the short-term market volatility. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you buy more units when the prices are low and less when the prices are high. This averages out the cost of investment over time. The second advantage is the power of compounding. Compounding, in simple terms, is when your earnings start earning. The earlier you start your SIP, the more time your money has to grow. The beauty of SIP is that it doesn't require a large upfront investment. You could start with a small amount that you're comfortable with. Over time, as your income grows, you can increase your SIP amount. But remember, SIP is not a shortcut to wealth. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience and discipline. The key is to stay invested for a long period to reap the maximum benefits. In today's discussion, we've demystified the concept of SIP. We've learned that SIP is a simple, disciplined, and effective method of investing in the stock market. It works on the principle of regular investments over a long period. We've also understood the advantages of SIP, rupee cost averaging, and the power of compounding. So the next time you think about investing, remember, patience, discipline, and consistency are the keys to wealth creation. And with SIP, you have a tool that embodies these principles. No matter the financial climate, remember that every drop of investment counts. Over time, these drops can turn into an ocean of wealth. So embark on your journey of wealth creation with SIP and watch your money grow over time.